This is the Driveye's hardwire kit with parking monitor. Let's install it now. Unbundle the wires. Open the fuse box on the left side of the car. Peel off the sealing strip on the side of the car. Remove the interior panel on the side of the car. Let's thread the wire from below and hide it inside the sealing strip. Leaving enough wire length to plug into the dashcam. Install the sealing strip and hide the voltage reducing box inside it. The red wire is ACC, the yellow wire is BAT. BAT provides continuous power even when the car is turned off, so find the corresponding hole according to the car manual and plug it in. ACC provides power when the car is turned on, but it doesn't exist when the car is turned off. Find the corresponding power and plug it in. The black wire is the ground wire. Just find a screw position to plug it in.
Thank you for choosing Driveye.